What's up, Peaches? Watch to see my Dollar Tree Stress Ball Fidgets collection. First up, I have these 3 Orbeez balls. I have a clear one. This one's interesting. An orange one. And a red one. So fun! Now I have 3 different splat balls. This one is from the Dollar Tree and these 2 are actually from Family Dollar. We have the Pooh splat ball. And of course we have to splat it. And then we have our Pig splat ball and Frog splat ball. Ooh. And that's all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more slime and fidget videos on my YouTube channel, Peachy Queen.